McDonald's Filet-O-Fish recipe. Subscribe and like. Let's get it. First, start with the batter and add flour, you coward. Some cornstarch. This voiceover makes my ass fart. Baking powder. It gives me power. No ranger.
It's morphin' time!
Now add salt like the Hayward folk. Black pepper because it's better. Garlic powder. Wash your trousers. And water for your daughter. Now get to mixing. Quit picking your dick skin. Get your card and give it a batter bath, Peter Pan.
I'm a godfish!
It's a fish bukkake. Now into the panko, James Franco. Coat that turd, Amber Heard.
Bruh.
Time to fry, my guys. Make sure it's at a golden state. No Steph Curry. Let's make the tartar, Magmar. Add some mayo, Tony Yayo. Some mustard, you busters. No Baxter. And some relish. I have a foot fetish. Lemon juice, Bullwinkle J Moose. And get to mixing. Quit picking your dick skin. Time to assemble. Place your buns, Steve Young. American cheese like these.
Nuts. Got him!
Caught on like a dirty thong. Your bukkake juice, mommy. I want to bang Tsubasa Amami.
もちろんそのためにいろいろやってるし大丈夫
Now add your top bun and we own one. Don't that look yummy, Dums? Now put it in your mouth, hungry boy.
Alright, y'all. Let's taste test this thing. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Try it out. Mmm. Dang smack. Got 4 flats on the Cadillac. That's where I have the fries from. God dang, that's good. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy. Mmm. Tender like it's in a blender. Mmm. Nice hot fries. Might be better than McDonald's. Real talk. Some Sprite Zero. Cause I ain't trying to have no diabetes. Alright, y'all. It's time for some fish puns. Why are fish so easy to weigh? Y'all give up? Y'all give up? Because they have their own scales. That's funny. Giant nice piece. Y'all ready for another one? How do shellfish get to the hospital? Hold up. In a clambulance. That's funny. Try this recipe, y'all. Shit's fire. Alright, I got one more for y'all and I'm out of here. What do you call a fish that practices medicine? It's gonna be a tough one. But all my fishermen should know this. I give up. A sturgeon. I've been opening up my own restaurant, Macdashack. I'll charge you $4 a sandwich. Fire, trust me, it's worth it. Comes with a free joke book from yours truly. Hear that crunch though? Y'all comment, like, share, subscribe one time, alright? They ain't trying to give your boy any more views. So please, like, share, comment, subscribe one time for the one time. Let's bite it. Next time, we eat Burger King booty.